C, C Sharp, and C++ are probably the first known languages for anyone who wants to start learning programming languages. So let's give you a tour of what their difference is. C, C++, and C Sharp. What's the difference? Let's start with C. C programming language, invented by Dennis Ritchie in 1972, is the oldest and most widely used of the three originally designed for the development of a new version of Unix. C revolutionized programming and operating system as a low-level language. It performs almost as efficiently as assembly code and requires minimal runtime support despite being published 40 years ago. C is still widely used in operating systems, kernel-level software, hardware drivers, and applications that require older code. Many old-school programmers recommend C as the best starting point for newer languages, and may offer security benefits due to its age and smaller user base, making it less attractive to hackers. C++, an extension of the C programming language, was created by Danish PhD student BNA to enhance C and add object-oriented programming capabilities without sacrificing speed or efficiency. As an intermediate level language, it builds upon the low-level C language but has more advanced capabilities since its initial publication in 1985. C++ has become a prolific programming language used alongside C in operating system development and high-profile server and PC software. It is easier to understand. If one has a solid foundation in C programming, C Sharp is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft in 2002. It is based on the .NET framework but has a C language backbone. C Sharp compiles into bytecode, allowing it to be translated into machine code on the fly. It adds garbage collection, uninitialized variable checking, bound checking, and type checking capabilities to the base C code. C Sharp is typically used in internal or enterprise applications found in client and server development within the .NET framework. Despite being technically complicated, C Sharp's syntax is less error-prone and can be learned quickly. To sum up, use C if you're looking to write low-level applications with high control over hardware. Use C++ if you're looking to write low-level applications with more control. Use C Sharp if you don't like the look of Java and if you're looking to write high-level applications. And if you enjoyed watching this, like and subscribe. And like always, don't forget to drink water. Nah, but I think I should quit being a YouTuber and start rapping instead. I could easily beat Eminem.